Boxing Day entertainment on Central, the top of the morning to you. And at 9:25, this is Mike Prince wishing you the compliments of the season. I hope you had a good day yesterday and that you're all set for a relaxing Christmas weekend. For those who are now the proud owners of a new set of two wheels, the first programme is definitely for you. It's the Tizer World BMX Freestyle Championships, a chance to see some really spectacular riding with teams from Europe and the United States taking part. And listen out for a very stylish American commentator, by the way. That's in a moment. Then Christopher Plummer tells a very special story about a rabbit at 10. We've got some sci-fi action at 10:30. Then there's a good helping of Disney magic before the Saint and Greaves's Boxing Day special. And then at 2 this afternoon's big film, and listen out for Lee Marvin singing Wandering Star in Paint Your Wagon. Programmes later. Now let's see some of that BMX action.